Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new grid file and defining the essential parameters so your work aligns precisely. First, choose units and a grid spacing that matches the task, such as 1/8 inch for fine detail. This ensures measurements remain consistent. Once done, enable Snap to Grid and Set Layer defaults so elements lock into place. Make sure to hide or show overlays as needed. Doing this early prevents scaling errors later and speeds drawing because your cursor will jump to exact intersections. You now place shapes and paths onto the grid, using snap and alignment guides to maintain geometric accuracy. Drag and drop or use precise coordinate entry to position elements. If something needs resizing, apply uniform scale transforms rather than stretching, because that preserves proportions. Once items are placed, group related objects and assign them to layers like Sketch, Construction, and Final so you can toggle visibility. This layered workflow makes edits faster and isolates measurement adjustments from visual refinements. You finish by locking the final layer and performing a careful check at actual size to catch alignment or scale issues. Walk the grid visually and measure a few reference distances. Then export in the appropriate format. Choose Vector for scalable diagrams or PNG with explicit DPI for pixel-perfect print, making sure export units match your project. If something looks off after export, revert to the construction layer, enable Snap, fix misaligned anchors, and re-export. That one troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.